Sterling Heights Locksmith service by Great Lakes Security Hardware. Great Lakes Security Hardware offers commercial, residential, automobile locksmith services. No job too big or too small. Emergency services and rekeying available during normal business hours. From the most complex locking systems to just a car door, Great Lakes Security Hardware offers affordable pricing. With thousands of blanks in stock, call us today, 888-855-6257. Whether it's your home and auto, automatic doors, or commercial doors, our locksmith service and certified technicians can help. Call us today, 888-855-6257.